Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom fields in ClickUp so you can organize your tasks exactly the way you want. Whether you're managing projects, tracking client details, or simply want more control over the information inside your workspace, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your ClickUp workspace and look at the left-hand side of your screen. Over here, you'll see all your spaces. Choose the space you want to work with. For example, if you have a space called Tutorials, go ahead and click on it. Once you're inside that space, open the list or board where you want to add the custom field. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. You'll see an option called Add a Column. This is where you can create your new custom field. Click on it, and a menu will appear showing different field types you can choose from. You can add text fields, numbers, dropdowns, checkboxes, dates, and so much more. These options help you tailor your task layout to fit your workflow perfectly. You'll also notice an option for existing fields, which lets you reuse fields you already created in other lists. But if you want to build something unique, look toward the bottom section where the customizable options are. For example, let's choose Location. After selecting it, ClickUp will ask you to name your new field. You can rename it however you like, but in this case, we'll keep it simple and call it Location. Once you're done, click Create, and your new custom field will instantly appear as a new column. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're inside the correct list or board before adding a field, double-check the field type you're selecting, and think about how you plan to use the data. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've created your custom field, you can start filling it in for each task. After that, you should be able to organize your workflow more efficiently without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to reposition your columns if needed. Arranging them in a clear order helps keep your workspace neat and easy to navigate. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create custom fields in ClickUp quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?